Okay everybody, so as you can see the XY stage is working. I just have a coping there rigged up, the Z stage. I'm just drawing a little square pattern for rectangular bouncing box. I've got the code and all the instructions from Instructables. I'll link to all of that in the show notes. Been working at this the whole day and came across lots of little issues. So I'll show you just as soon as I see a pattern happening. It hasn't made a pattern yet. Well, a loop. Yeah, I'd say that's now a loop. You see the first problem was that the X and Y stages were slipping because the joint between the stepper motor and the threaded rod was clear plastic tubing for fish tanks with piping. I didn't have these little wire things on now that you can see that kind of clamp it on. So that was just spinning, and then the other problem was that I had one of the pins here on the Arduino set in the wrong place. So on the X-axis it wasn't switching directions. It was set, it wouldn't switch directions. So that's the Y. This is the Y board. This is the X board. This is the Arduino. This is the breakout shields. Here's a picture of the pattern that it's drawing. It's just this bouncing box, or bouncing ball, a little box. It's just emulating that. There's a lot of, it keeps writing H and L's at the bottom of the screen. I'm guessing that's high-low values for different axes because it's different combinations of uppercase and lowercase L's with the H first or the L first, and that determines what part of this bouncing ball, what direction it will go. So like I said before, my dad came up with the idea to use just normal wire wrapped around and showed me how to clamp the one and over the other ones. This is the X-axis, I just put one on this side. The side's still quite tight. I had to call Murray to help me with the problem with the stepper motor. Both of them actually were making a sort of a hissing noise. And we determined that was due to the pot setting on the stepper board being too high. So I turned down the amperage. I don't know what I set it to, I haven't checked that yet. Murray suggests 1 amp or lower. Exam should be over in about 1 month, and that's when I should have the Z-axis or assembled, and I basically need a bigger microcontroller to put the RepStrap firmware on, so I have to build another board for that. I'm hoping to be done with these before the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Cheers.